This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Chock the rear wheels. Where fitted, remove the plastic caps from the wheel bolts or nuts. Using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts or nuts and remove the wheels. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts or nuts and remove the wheels. Prise out the centre pins, undo the screws and remove the trim at the front lower edge of the liner. Undo the screws at the lower edge. Carefully prise the wheel arch trim from place. The liner is secured by various fasteners. Some are plastic expansion rivets and some are screws. With the fasteners released, remove the wheel arch liner. Working under the right-hand front wheel arch, release the tension on the belt by turning the tensioner clockwise using a 16mm socket. Remove the belt from the various pulleys. Shown here with the engine removed for clarity, locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs fit correctly into the pulley grooves. Where applicable, observe the arrow indicating the normal direction of rotation. Rotate the tensioner slightly to allow the belt to be fitted, then slowly release the tensioner and allow it to rest against the belt. Maneuver the liner into position and secure it with the various fasteners. Press the wheel arch trim firmly back into place. Refit the lower screws, followed by the trim. Clean the mating faces of the wheel and hub. Locate the wheel over the hub, insert and lightly tighten the bolts or nuts. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower it to the floor. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel bolts or nuts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps where applicable. Don't forget to remove the rear wheel chocks. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.